for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome to day 3 of the Advent Calendar series that I'm doing for Cora Crea Crafts. I was gifted by my family the Advent Calendar for December 1st through the 24th. I will have the link in the description box for Cora Crea Crafts if you'd like to go over and check out their shop and where this stuff came from. So what I'm doing is I'm opening a pack each day, and then whatever's in the pack, I'm using that material to create some kind of item for my junk journal. So without further delay, let's get on to opening day 3. I am trying to preserve the packing material to come back later and create a journal with this beautiful paper. So I want to leave as much of that whole as I can. Alright, day 3, what do we have? Alright, day 3, looks like we've got a booklet. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the plastic wrap so we won't have too much of a glare. And for day 3, we have Dark Academia, a little sticker book. So this is a little spiral bound book. The theme is Dark Academia. It was made for Cora Crea Crafts. And it looks like it was made for their Advent Calendar. Alright, so let's flip through this. Oh, we've got the clear stickers that are already pre-cut. I love that. We don't have to cut anything out. I love this Dark Academia style. I want to go ahead and try to put this paper behind it so you can see these really well. I'll go back and do that for this image here. These are beautiful. I like that it's in a little sticker book. This would make a great book for planner stickers if you were just carrying your planner on the go. It's already bound for you. Love the raven. It's got a great Dark Academia feel to it. And it's a lot of pages in this little sticker book. More owls. And then lastly, we have the back page. I love that. That is beautiful. Alright, I'm going to pause the video here, grab a few materials, and come back and let's see what we can create. Okay, I've grabbed a few items. I've grabbed some music washi tape, some scorched timber distress ink, and some rub and buff, and some coffee dyed paper, and my sticker book, and I'm going to set this to music and let's see what we can make. threes, I decided to do a journal page that I'm thinking I might want to go back and put a journal together with all the materials that I'm doing for each day. So I wanted to start creating some pages. So this is day 3. I did it with a piece of coffee dyed paper. I used the big sticker that was in the very back of the book to make a base for the collage. I wanted to do collages with these stickers, but when I put them down, they didn't show up very well because they were very similar in color. So I backed these with coffee dyed paper, and up here I made a collage with the owl and the writing strip and the raven, and then added my number 3 and then the washi tape behind this collage piece here. So that ends day 3. I'd love it if you'd hit the like button and the subscription button, and be sure to hit the notification bell, because remember, every day we're going to come back, open a new package, and do some more creating. And at the end of this series, we will have created 24 embellishments that will go into our journal. And in the spirit of Christmas here in the attic, I want to leave you with my choice of beverage of the day. I have a tea blend I made for my daughter's wedding, and I'm going to open my Advent chocolate for the day. So let's see what we've got for day 3. We've got, could be the crunchy toffee, but I'm pretty sure it's the almond hazelnut brittle. So I'm going to sit back, enjoy my beverage and my chocolate, and until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.